Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Is that the Tomei, dog? It is a Tomei, man. Oh, that shit over there. As y'all can see, your boy got a motherfucking Tomei, dog. Hold up, your boy about to take off his jacket. It's fucking hot. Yes, sir. Your boy finally got an exhaust though, after like a year and a half of owning this jump, man. For the people who don't know, I got a 2014 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. Fuck. Take this shit off. It's hot. Take my key out. But yeah, I got a 2014 Hyundai Genesis Coupe 2.0T. Fucking R-Spec. Can't forget the R-Spec, you know what I'm saying? Your boy finally got an exhaust though. This is gonna be my review of a Tomei. Is that a Tomei, dog? This shit is a damn Tomei. Shit. Let these niggas know. Spend all that damn money on that goddamn this shit motherfucking Tomei. But this is my little review on how I feel about having the Tomei exhaust, bro. I had this shit for about like a couple of days now, and I want to let y'all know how I feel about this shit, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, this shit sound good. This shit be sounding good, man. My favorite part, I ain't gonna lie to you, about the having an exhaust on, specifically the Tomei, will be the upshifts, bruh. The shit, when you upshift, it sounds so goddamn good. So good, man. So good. Downshifting, it's alright, but I don't know. The upshifting is just, cause it kind of pops a little bit, and shit just sounds so good. I have stock down pipes, test pipes. I only have an exhaust. That's it. So it kind of burbles a little bit too, like when I'm not going that fast and I'm like low in the RPMs, it kind of does a little burble to it. It's fucking. So the biggest competitor between the Tomei would be the ISR exhaust. Those are the two main single exit exhausts people will usually go for. I was debating on going with the ISR, but I don't know, in my opinion, so there's a car wash right there. Blu-ray's car wash. I always thought there was a car wash over here. Alright, so I kinda know now. A nice little car wash right there, not far from where I work. The ISR, I was debating on getting the ISR exhaust before the Tomei, but I don't know. I saw a couple videos between the two. People were saying that the Tomei is a little bit more like raspier and the ISR is more deeper. The Tomei exhaust is honestly pretty deep, I'm not gonna lie. It it's not. And pause on that. Pause on that. I don't know. It sounds. It's not. I don't think it's too raspy. Like, I don't really think it's that raspy, in my opinion. I think it sounds pretty good. I think it sounds pretty damn good, man. It sucks though, because not a lot of people have the Tomei exhaust, so you can't really get a good visual of how it sounds like. That's why I'm making this video here, man. It's telling me what I think about it. If it's worth the money, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what an ISR feels like, but the Tomei exhaust was so light, it's not even crazy. I probably shedded so much weight just from taking off that exhaust, man. The stock one. Man, look at them houses. One thing I like too, the exhaust isn't too loud to where it overpowers the turbo or the blow valve. So I do also have a HKS blow valve with a engine intake, so you're able to hear the turbo a little bit too. You hear turbo with the exhaust now. Shit. So me and my cousin, we were trying to install the exhaust ourselves, right? Cause I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I had to take this shit to the shop, bruh. I had to take it to the shop and have them put it on. I ain't gonna lie though, I did attempt to do it myself before I had the shop, you know, the mechanic do it, or however you say it. But so that shit, I'm gonna tell y'all right now. Damn. That shit is not for the weak, bruh. I tell you now, that shit is not for the weak. If you have like the old exhaust still on there, and it still has like the old rusty ass bolts, bruh, good luck, bro. Good luck. Them bolts, it literally took us like 4 hours just to take out one damn bolt, bruh. And then we had to end up like stripping the bolts too. Like, bro, this shit just sounds so good, man. Car right here. This shit just sounds so good. That's a nice little wall. Spray paint. It took us 4 hours just to take out one bolt, man. Shit was crazy. Shit was crazy. Bro, look, they all got like solar panels on their house. Eco-friendly, bro. Waste of a parking spot. In my opinion, I don't even know how I'm gonna make this a left. is a big dip. Stop. Somebody got pulled over down there. Type shit. Couldn't be me, man. Stop it. Good old VA, man. I think he was trying to let me get in there. No cap. I think he was trying to let me get in there. Hey, I ain't gonna do it to myself, bruh. Hey, man. Hey, your boy need a roll. Fuck all that. Nigga got all that dick shit. Hey man, I was about to end the video, but I'm still finna end it. Yeah, I'm still finna end it. I thought you was gonna keep straight and turn right where I was turning right at, but nah, I look like he turning right there. It's all good though. Well, if y'all like the video, smash that like button. Comment down below if y'all have any questions about the build. Honestly, bro, I don't even know what the next car mod finna be, bruh. I was thinking about it. I don't know. I kind of want to cut my diffuser. So I don't know for the people who know what the diffuser looks like on the Genesis, but where the license plate sits at, where the holes are, where the exhaust sits. So I want to cut all that shit off, add a bash bar right there, and then that would probably be the complete look of back end. Maybe do so once I add the diffuser and the bash bar, I do want to add a carbon fiber trunk, and then that will be the final